Today's video is on the top 3 best yoga mats on Amazon. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget, Retrospec Solana Yoga Mat. I recently got my hands on the Solana fitness mat, and I have to say it's been a game changer for my workouts. This mat is extra thick, measuring a solid 1 inch, and it's fantastic for comfort and balance. The thickness helps alleviate stress on pressure points, like my joints, hips, hands, and knees. In terms of size, it's pretty generous at 72 inches long, 24 inches wide, and half an inch thick. One of the things I noticed about the Solana mat is its non-slip grip. It keeps me steady and balanced, which is super important, especially during those intense yoga sessions. The design is innovative and helps prevent injuries, so I can focus entirely on my practice without worrying about slipping. Another thing I love about this mat is how durable and portable it is. The material is thick and tough, so it holds up well even with daily use. Plus, it comes with a handy nylon carrying strap, making it easy to take from my home practice to the yoga studio without any hassle. I also appreciate that Solana is free of harsh chemicals like phthalate, heavy metals, and latex. It's great knowing that I'm not exposing myself to any harmful substances. When I first unrolled the mat, there was a slight odor, but it was harmless. I just let it air out for a day or two and it was good to go. Cleaning the Solana mat is a breeze too. I just use a mix of gentle soap and water, wipe it down, and hang it up to dry. It's important not to submerge it in water, but other than that, it's really easy to keep it clean and fresh for my next workout. This mat is free of latex, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive skin. Latex can sometimes cause irritations even if you're not allergic, so it's a relief to know this mat avoids that completely. And guess what? The next product I'll mention is also latex-free. Overall, I'm really happy with the Solana fitness mat. It's comfortable, durable, and perfect for my needs. Number 2, best overall CorkTec non-toxic, non-slip, thick cork yoga mat. Let me tell you about my experience with the Cork Collective Cork Yoga Mat. First off, the eco-friendly and sustainable materials stood out to me. This mat uses natural, organic, renewable, and biodegradable cork combined with natural rubber. Knowing that the cork is handpicked from Portugal and ethically sourced, plus being Forest Stewardship Council, FSC certified, made me feel good about using it. It's safe and comfortable, and I felt totally at ease laying my face or body on it during my practice. Now, let's get into the amazing, durable, non-slip surface. I was seriously impressed with the grip. The more I sweat, the better it gets. The natural rubber backing keeps the mat solid and stationary, whether I'm using it indoors or outdoors. I could transition between poses smoothly without any slipping. A handy tip I discovered: if you sprinkle some water on your hands or spray a little on the mat before you start, it boosts the grip right from the get-go. This mat was crafted with expertise over 3 years in collaboration with professional yoga instructors, and it shows. The non-slip surface, optimal cushioning, and solid support are all top-notch. They've managed to balance eco-friendliness, high performance, and weight perfectly. This mat elevates the yoga experience beyond the ordinary. While it's not medically certified, I found it safe for regular use, but I'd advise caution if you have specific allergies. The mat is suitable for everyone, no matter your level of yoga or fitness practice. It's incredibly comfortable and works well for all styles of yoga. From hot yoga and Bikram to Pilates, Ashtanga, Vinyasa, Power, Hatha, Barre, or even just relaxing and finding your zen. Every time I unroll it, it stays perfectly flat thanks to the durable, natural rubber backing. It measures 72 inches long, 24 inches wide, and is 0.18 inches thick, weighing about 5.2 pounds. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi, they support you throughout your journey. Number 1, our pick, Liforme Original Yoga Mat. Plus, it came with a free yoga bag, which was a nice bonus. The first thing I noticed was the ultimate grip. This mat features the amazing Grip for Me material from Liforme. giving me a warrior-like grip during my practice. I never have to worry about slipping, even during the sweatiest sessions. And you wanted the best, you got it. That's it for the top 3 best yoga mats on Amazon. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.